So hi everyone, myself Swarnabha and I am the developer relations at DeFiChain Labs and Birthday Research. So we are the R&D wing of the Cake DeFi group. So today's video will be all about our new product under Birthday Research, that is MarbleFi. So MarbleFi is now released in both testnet and mainnet. So today I will go over the product and the app and show you the walkthrough how it works and what it is all about. So MarbleFi has launched and it's a premier liquid staking solution on top of DeFi chain. Our main goal is to enable seamless and accessible DeFi staking in masternode validators without the need to know how to set up, manage, and operate without the upfront cost. So it basically helps you to do everything very easily, and at the same time, it saves your cost as well. So how it works is each DFI deposited in MarbleFi's deposit smart contract will be accumulated for perpetual DFI staking for masternode rewards, contributing to the security of the entire blockchain. This is important to keep the integrity and security of the blockchain. In return, an automated issuance of MDFI will be given to you where you can utilize it with our launch partners such as Vanilla Swap to provide liquidity in the liquidity pools to earn trading fees and also the ability to exit your position if you need to, or else lend you also lend or borrow MDFI in CA Horse 5 money market, allowing you to make a directional bet or potentially collect yield on top of the masternode yield and maximize your capital efficiency. We are very much bullish. Many more projects or partners will come and it will help you to get MDFI. So now I'll walk through the documentation we have. So as I said, it's a product developed by Birthday Research Team, the research and development arm of Cake Group. So yes, we are a liquid staking derivative which is LSD that aims to unlock capital that would have been locked up in the DeFi chain ecosystem's masternode. So this actually makes efficiency and also the decentralized manner to take control and utilize your fund. As I said, it's a liquid staking. So if you are know what is liquid staking or LSD, so liquid staking is the easiest way to earn rewards on your DFI. So to participate in the DeFi chain's validator, individual must hold and stake a minimum of 20,000 DFI and run a DeFi chain masternode. So MarbleFi basically simplifies the staking process, offering greater flexibility and control and no need to start or operate a masternode validator. How it works is, to be sum up, so you visit the MarbleFi page, which I will show you, deposit DFI, which is the meta chain EVM, into the smart contract, then receive MDFI proportional to your deposit on prevailing prices, and use MDFI in other DeFi activities in the ecosystem. So the use cases are pretty much simple. Like you can take a loan from lending or borrowing market. There's a liquid DT provision where MDFI can be used to provide liquidity to decentralized exchanges. And yeah, at the end, a very important use case is yield optimization. The fee structure is very simple here. So basically the minting fee is the 0.5% of the token deposited, so which is basically for the creation of MDFI. The performance fee is the 5% of the reward, which is taken from solely from the reward. The redemption fee is 0.75% of the MDFI burn. Basically it occurs during the withdrawal of the underlying DFI. So these are all the contract address. You can check it on our Explorer as well. Here, if you see, the governance is still under process and the roadmap is also under process. So yeah, so so the goal is to basically keep the treasury and the governance running, and so that there is the transparency also there, and it solves the management as well. So the tokenomics will be soon revealed, and we are still on the development of it. The withdrawal process is very simple. Currently, we have not enabled withdrawal. Currently, it's only stake. So, as a MarbleFi that aims basically to perpetually stake DeFi into the ecosystem, withdrawal is only possible if there is excess liquid assets available for the withdrawal. So, otherwise, your stake DeFi remains tradable in the ecosystem. So, enough said. Now, I will move to the actual web page or the dApp which we have built. So this is the website marblefi.xyz, where you can see the website and see how sleek and how easy to use it is. Basically, it contains all the things like benefits, how it works, about MDFI. So yeah, and yeah, now if you go to the launch app, and if you go there, so it will take you to the stake page. Currently we have not enabled withdrawal page, which will be enabled soon. The first process is you need to connect wallet, which is the obvious step in every dApp. So I use MetaMask, and for MetaMask, if you go and type your password and you connect your wallet, so then it will give you two options: DeFiChain EVM mainnet and DeFiChain EVM testnet. So currently we are operating on both the networks, mainnet and testnet, which was earlier only testnet. So for ease, I will show you on testnet. So if I go, I already have the network connected, and yeah. So yeah, as you can see, my network is connected, and I have some available DFI on testnet. You can easily get DFI on testnet through our faucet, which gives you faucet in every 24 hours. So now if I, let's say, take some amount, let's say 25% of the amount of the 198 DFI I have, and the receiving address, let's say I keep it the same, which is the wallet I connected. You can add any other wallet as well, which you want to receive. So yeah, and I just added the wallet which I connected, and you will receive 40 MDFI, and the exchange rate is this, and the maximum transaction cost is this. If you ask how this is calculated, we have already demonstrated here the fee structure, which is the minting fees is the 0.5%, performance fees the 5%. So basically this fees will keep the system running without heavy use of incentive, and this fees depends on the future alteration based on the governance and things. So now if you stake the DFI, so it will confirm your transaction on the MetaMask, and it will, if you confirm it, it will confirm your stake. So if you don't have MDFI to the wallet, the token, it will add MDFI uh, to the your wallet as well. So now you can see it's here, the deposit is done, and also uh, here if you see the token is also there, MDFI. It takes some time, and then if you go to the explorer and see your transaction, it will show you the transaction on MetaChain testnet. So it takes a time to load here, but yeah, this is basically the process where you will be able to see the transaction, and yeah, you can again go to the homepage and then again do so, then you can get MDFI. And this process is same on uh, mainnet as well. So if I go and connect mainnet, so it will give you the same things. So currently I don't hold any DFI on this wallet, but yeah, you can do this on your wallet with mainnet as well and get MDFI and use it in the further processes in the ecosystem, meta chain ecosystem. So this is all about MarbleFi, and I hope you understood how you can unlock the power of your assets and maximize your efficiency and yield and earn rewards as well without the hassle of managing your own master nodes. So earlier and right now as well, you all know master running a master node is sometimes a bit tedious, but now that you have MarbleFi, you can utilize the same efficiency without running a master node. I hope you got what is all about MarbleFi, and with the next videos I will show as well how the withdrawal works and more use cases and how we can actually use the things. So I hope you enjoyed this. I will post more videos with DeFi chain and birthday research to let community know more about this. So yeah, this is all about MarbleFi, and yeah, thank you.